Hello everyone, welcome to Hpmtech. Today's new video: start your degree in Canada without IELTS. In 2022, Winter created sales fact 13 and 15% off. You can start degrees Canada without IELTS 2022 University. In Canada, we in study defense course and tracking about this new You can start degrees Canada without IELTS 2022. 13 University of Canada we and can study without IELTS defense source and talking about news. If you believe it, everything you are read and make things impossible to study Canada without IELTS, but interested it is not impossible. You don't always you need it. Study Canada fact some Canada top university area Guelph and accept students without a wonderful opportunity to complete bachelor, master and PhD degree without IELTS. There are many scholarships available in Canada. Canada is the first protect international students package for help international students lot building and write can the excellent book and live content students Canada all agreement fact measure available with more than 2,000 student program. We and with Canada without hostel and the some English process proof study Canada without IELTS English protect West and University of IELTS Submit IELTS source and offer reading post explore full details digital about starting your degrees in Canada without IELTS 2022 host country Canada scholarship full funded program blog bachelor master and PhD degrees programming also check Carleton University with visa without IELTS list of Canada University without IELTS University of Scotland and Factory Very Brock University Carleton University University of Web University of Alberta Factory Very Quick University Canada University Regent Member University Northwood University Cambrian University Algoma University Labrador University University of Guelph Factor Very 14 and University Northwood and later both this and some English project. First University of Carleton Northwood University also Canada with 5.5 aligned brand. How to study without IELTS. The first simple step to check the international student entries requirement of the University of went to goal many university accepted drawing language English test and easy much easily understanding the instant web tab with right Canada and you are already submit in years English medium schools. You can student Canada without IELTS every thesis university which requirement. Yes, you can Canada visa without IELTS. You can see Canada acted does and get student visa to provide payment students automatically with template restrict visa. But recommend also check in university fact entry requirement international student change university next to lit Cambrian clip new and Canada without met simply best final funded scholarship Canada 2022 but you are needed in student visa part requirement. You get now how to without nursery having content and with visa rejected. Optimize course education about us. You can enter international student scholarship, international free online courses, similar exchange programs, similar schools, youth optimization, and all international optimate and under umbrella check. Employee or optimization course. Nabil Akbar management speakers and deadline approaching. Last international summer exchange program fully founded once of young World Summit Japan's 2022 AMTB in summer internship 2022 career summer students state World Bank International USA Rose and Grace Exchange Program Germany Board and hold summer internship in USA 2022 prank similar students create admission similar counter internship funds of Young Summit Japan aid by international program 1st January 23 and list of funded scholarship financial fully funded and next French government scholarship bachelor master PhD student and ideas and best place student fully funded email botany scholarship in France 2022 France government scholarship 2022 and Ministry of Foreign Arab Exchange last and funded scholarship in New Zealand last of fully funded go Germany scholarship student Germany retail comes in Germany state fees and work more than scholarship blockchain master and PhD student fully funded scholarship list of fact and Canada scholarship fully funded Australia exchange program in Europe fully funded like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching. 5,000 scholarship in Turkey from without last and fully funded bachelor, master, PhD and second around the Turkey government scholarship like guidance section agreement. Turkey government scholarship online section local location of once in Facebook page. Date Monday 13th January 2022 time. Minister Dr. Muhammad Nauman Male Animals Industry Carleton University Turkey. Last of which defense and January once again. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest question update. Once young but similar Japan. King of Earth Scholarship. List of scholarship with details and January 2022 full founded ones of Young Summit in Japan. And the link Internship Canada. What and Canada founded Youth Later and Calculate Program. Student Employer Blockchain. Master PHP Online. International Money founded IMF International Internship Program 2022 fully founded at CRNN Internship Program 2022 full founded details students stay select upgrade general student eligible. The program will cover refund area track and around it health increase money spent visit cards. Internship credit and site founded Big Bang Scholarship founded in details Big Bang Scholarship Canada Popular Scholarship Program funds of option fully founded. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.